video. Maybe you already did.
No, you're good. Thank you. Okay, so we have been talking about Peter Pan. Can someone tell me of the story from Come Away, our summary? Jonah, what's in it?
I can give you a pretty quick summary.
I would love that.
So basically, Tinkerbell and Peter go to Wendy's house,
Mhm.
and then they're trying to find Peter's shadow when Tinkerbell finds it, but then gets trapped. If I'm correct. And then Peter cries because he can't get his shadow on. So Wendy wakes up and then realizes that there's somebody who's on her nursery floor crying. So she basically sews on Peter's shadow.
Perfect. Yeah, so Wendy solved their problem. So our problem was couldn't find the shadow. They found it. I want you to talk to your partner really quick. And your partner is partners. Jonah, will you join Benjamin? You three can all talk. I want you to talk about who found the shadow, okay? Go ahead, do some now.
Obviously, Tinkerbell.
But when he got it was Wendy sewed it on that
Yep. So
wait, where is he when the dress?
Sound good? Alright, 3, 2, 1, eyes up here. Naya, what happened with who found the shadow? Who found it?
She does have.
Oh, I asked Naya. Do you want me to ask your partner for some help? Carol, who found the shadow? Tinkerbell found the shadow. Once the shadow was found, Jonah was able to tell us that Peter tried to stick it on himself. Did that work, Garrett? Did Peter Pan know how to fix it?
No.
No. All right, Miss Chanel, what happened after that? We said that someone sewed it on. Were you listening to Jonah? Who sewed it on?
Peter Pan.
Did Peter Pan sew it on? Or did he try to use soap? He tried to use soap. Should we ask your partner for help?
Yeah.
All right, DeAndre, go ahead, tell me, who actually sewed it on? Wendy sewed it on. So Wendy was our helper, right?
I forgot that.
All right, now that we have our summary, we're gonna talk about character traits. What are character traits? What does that mean? Does anyone know? It's kind of a big word.
So character traits are basically, well, I already know what character traits are. Basically what makes, I guess, a personality.
Yeah, the personality. What makes you you? All right, so we're going to make a list of different character traits. We are then going to watch a video that's based off of Come Away. And in that video, you're going to help identify if Tinkerpan, that's not a character, if Tinkerbell is sassy. Is Tinkerbell sassy? If so, you'll circle that. We'll do it together though right now. So to make our list, let's choose a couple words off of our character traits. Let's go with kind. Can someone tell me, how do we know someone is kind? Raise your hand. What's an example of someone being kind? Benjamin.
When they say kosher,
Oh, when they give a compliment, that's right. All right, on your paper, write kind. Write with pencil, okay? We're not using the color pencils yet. Austin, make sure you're joining us. Try to make my K bigger. Kind. All right, next word we're gonna write is helpful. Can someone tell me an example of someone who is helpful? Carol.
Someone like if someone gets tricked by someone, then another person comes and say, that's not nice. And then the person that tricked the person walks away, and then that person helps them out.
So it kind of stands up to a bully and helps that person stand up. I like that. Someone who's helpful would stand up to a bully. I like that. All right, we've done a lot of the really nice ones. Let's do bossy. I want an example of bossy, but here's the catch. When you give me an example of bossy, I don't want you to tell me about a friend or say something mean. Just give me an example. What's an example of someone being bossy? DeAndre.
Like, telling you what to do.
Telling you what to do. Because are moms allowed to tell you what to do?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are teachers allowed to tell you what to do? Yeah. But should really your peers be telling you that?
What's that?
Huh?
Your friends, the people your age.
No.
No.
No, not really. That's when you would call them bossy. Ooh, this one's a big one. I like this word. Make sure everyone's writing. Adventurous. So that's A, D, B, E. Broke my pencil. Oh, you're sweet. I have red in this one, thankfully. Thank you though, Carol. Adventurous. Who knows what that big word means? Adventurous. What does it mean to be adventurous? Carol.
It means to get outdoors.
Yeah,
in
you're,
school.
you like to, oh, I like that. You like to explore. My 6th graders, when you guys were at 6th grade camp a couple weeks ago, did you get out there and explore?
Yes.
Were you guys being adventurous by trying that obstacle course?
Yes.
Yeah, that's adventurous. All right, next one we're gonna write energetic. Energetic. What is energetic? What's an example of that? Example of energetic. No one knows? Do none of us have any energy this morning? Here, I'm gonna see if I can call on someone else, okay? Garrett, can you tell me about energetic?
Like energy?
Yeah, so do you think energetic means a low amount of energy or a high amount of energy? A high amount, that's right. Giselle, do you need me to zoom in? There you go. Energetic. Ooh, this is one of my favorite ones. Sassy. Yeah. Raise your hand if anyone's ever told you, ooh, you're being a little sassy. Just me and Carol and Chanel. I kind of think everyone's sassy at times, but it makes life funny that way. Just don't be sassy to your parents. Sassy. We're gonna do 2 more words, okay? Not a ton of writing today. Courageous. Courageous. Courageous has that word courage in it. What does courage mean? What does it mean if I say someone has courage? No one? Austin.
Means they're brave.
They're brave. Thank you, Austin. Yeah, you're brave. An example of someone who is courageous is maybe someone, well, like Carol's example, standing up to a bully. Someone who has courage is someone who will speak in front of the whole class. So you have to be brave to public speak. It takes courage to, I can only think of the bully example right now. Yeah, standing up for your friends, it's all becoming courage.
What's messy?
Messy. You want to do messy? Okay, let's do messy. Messy. Kind of, you're all over the place. Messy is just, if you're a messy person, your room is not clean, maybe your binder, your desks are not organized. I'll be really honest, Miss Dean is a very messy person.
Then
I keep my car clean, but that's about it.
keep my room clean except for my bed.
Oh, except for your bed. Everyone has an exception to that.
Everything's clean.
Alright, and the last one we're gonna write is we're gonna write loyal.
I was happy.
Loyal. I want everyone to write loyal. We'll do the rest of the poster later, but just on our paper I want us to have these words. Loyal. What does it mean to be loyal? Jonah.
Basically like, basically like doing something for someone.
Yeah. Yeah, doing something for someone, kind of sticking around and being a good friend. even when it's hard. Would that be being loyal? Yeah, being loyal is being a good friend. Does everyone have these words?
Yes.
Yes, thumbs up if you have all these words. Okay. Alright, so what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you, we're gonna watch 2 short clips from Come Away, Come Away. And with your colored pencils, as we are watching, you're gonna circle the word that matches the character. So up here, down here, we're gonna make a key. Who remembers what a key is? We talked about it in geography. I'm gonna call on someone else. I love that you guys are always ready. DeAndre, what's a key? You don't remember? Miss Kylie works on it with you every time. You usually use it for map. It shows you your mountains.
Oh, yeah.
I'll say in a second. Do you remember now? Can you tell me what it is? Do you want some help?
Yeah.
Okay, Jonah, help our friend out. What's a key?
Key, like basically a different color.
Yeah, it's a color that represents something, right? So everyone draw a circle with their dark green and fill it in. I like to take up one line, not line across, but like this much. And that is going to be Peter Pan. That is Peter Pan. Then with our light green, we're going to do the same thing. Go ahead and skip a line so you have room. And that is going to be Tinkerbell.
Kind of looks the same.
The colors?
Yeah.
Oh, that does. It's kind of hard to tell the difference. So let's actually switch it. I'm sorry, guys. Will you guys get out your yellow color pencil?
But they just drew it. Well, they didn't draw it with my thing.
That's okay. What? You can put yellow next to it on the other side.
I just put over it.
I'm sorry. It is. I thought it would be easier to tell the difference. That was my bad. With yellow, do the same thing. You'll make a circle. And that is Tinkerbell. And last but certainly not least with blue, this is our Wendy. Honestly, just because in the movie she wears blue. So once you have your key, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so I know we're ready to move on. Yep, okay. Definitely do that. Uh-oh.
If I have a girl and my dad, I would name her when
You got, okay, is everyone the key all ready?
Yeah,
Austin, good job being ready. Good job, Garrett. Good job, Carol. Naya's finishing up. Good job, Chanel. Alright, so what we're going to do, now that we have the key, as we're watching our videos, we have all these different words that we just went over. If you see Peter Pan be adventurous, I want you to circle adventurous. Don't do so yet. You have to see if he does it. You'll circle it with the green. Does that make sense? You'll do that with the 3 colors. As you see, I want you to circle whose character it is. Now, what if you say, Miss Dean, Tinkerbell, and Peter Pan are adventurous? Can I circle it 2 colors? Yeah. You'll circle then the yellow over it. After the video, we're gonna go over all the different character traits, okay? See if we get all caught up. Okay, so our first video is kind of like the before our story, and it leads to the first couple paragraphs. Yes, Chanel?
You want me to get the lights?
Give me just 1 second, and yes. So this first video is only 1.5 minutes long, and it's going to be about that beginning part when Tinkerbell's looking for the shadow, okay? Go ahead, Chanel.
This is you.
And if you want, you'll have to run it during the video.